Hi everyone, it's Tech Dad. Welcome to my French-Canadian channel in English. So today we are taking a look at a very strange accessory for the Oculus Quest. These are the KIWI Design EAR MUFFS. When I first saw this online, I wasn't really sure of the purpose of this, but KIWI Design has decided to send me a pair of these to test it out. So this is what I did for the past week. So we all know that the sound on the Quest is not good. It does the job, but the sound volume is quite low. These are simple little speakers hidden in the strap here. So we all know that it's not great, but it is serviceable. It does the job. And if you want a better sound, you have here an input jack, so you can plug in your own headset and you'll have better sound. So KIWI Design has decided to approach this problem with a strange solution. So the goal here is to slide these earmuffs on the Quest. So it's pretty easy. You can put them on and take them off like in seconds. So that's not a problem. So the goal of these earmuffs is simple. It's to create like a sound chamber around your ears. So when you put your Quest, the sound will travel in these and be stuck a little bit in these muffs, and you will have improved sound. The question, does it work? The sound volume was maybe 25–30% more. For example, with Beat Saber, I will have to put the volume to the maximum volume. But with these earmuffs, the sound was too strong. I had too loud, so I had to bring a couple of notches, so it was good for me. Really, I think the biggest impact was just that the volume was higher, so you are hearing more stuff, and so the sound is a bit better. One thing I hope that KIWI Design will improve if they do version 2 of these earmuffs is the shape of these. I have very small ears, and as you can see, they barely fit in the shape here. It's just too straight. It needed to go down a little bit like that, or to have an oval shape here. And I will add, let me 1 second, that I was unable to use the earmuff with this KIWI Design strap, for example, to relieve front pressure, because it tends to help by sustaining the weight of the Quest, but by lifting here the rear end of the strap, and then the muffs are not aligned with the ears. And the big question here is, do you need it? It will improve your sound, or at least your volume, by at least 20%, 25%, for $20. And it works. It does what they are saying, so that's good. The only thing is that for the same price, you can buy a pair of headphones that will have better sound than this. And before I finish this video, I would like to thank KIWI Design for sending me this stand that I didn't have before. So it's practical. You all know what it does. You won't save a lot of space, I will say, however, if you need one. It's really to protect your Quest and really to display it. So this is the KIWI Design stand. I think it's a great option. I didn't test, to be truthful with you, the AMVR stand or other brands, but this one seems to be well made and it doesn't tumble around when I touch it, so I don't fear that my Quest will fall to the ground or on the table. So thank you all. It was Tech Dad. See you next time. Please think about subscribing. Please think about subscribing, liking. Ciao.